So, I'm not sure if people will need this, but I'm gonna do it anyways. So, welcome to the Capdam Inkling tutorial. So, first, spawn your model. We have the regular male, the clothable male, the regular female, and the clothable female. Now, the difference between the normal and the clothable are the bones. So let me just spawn 2 models. And just, okay, let me set up the camera. Jesus Christ, I haven't used SFM in a long ass time. Okay, well I have used it yesterday, but like, I don't use it very much. So, here are the differences. This is the regular, and this is the clothable. Now, the clothable is exactly what you think. You can put clothes on it much more easily. So let me just get a shirt from the Splatoon pack. Now, don't use the IK clothes, because this is an FK rig. So yeah. Now, of course, this doesn't really fit because that was a female shirt on a male body. So, anyways, that's the clothable part of the tutorial. Now let's get a female. Now, let's learn how to change the hair color or some shit, I don't know. So, to change the hair color or the mouth color, you go here, you right click here, and then after that you right click again, go over here, model, materials, and then in mouth for the mouth, and hair dash gender for the hair. So let's change this to orange. And copy that for the mouth. Booyah. Now, the Inkling. Now, for the eyes. I don't have textures yet to change the eye colors. So for now, they are just gray. But you can make some custom textures if you want. I'm currently working on making, I'm planning on making, more customizable textures, for the skin, eyes, stuff like that. But for now, we can only change the color of the hair. Now, let's talk about posing the eyes. Instead of sliders, we use bones. Because I suck at source porting. So yeah. I think that's enough for now. So yeah, have fun.